Hello everyone, it's me Saif again and I hope everyone is doing alright. So today I wanted to share you this of the basic strategy when I was like very young into trading and everything. So that this two indicator I used it and I really had this only $10 or 13 or something. So I was just sitting down and missing my old days, you know, how it started and everything and how I got into trading also and this kind of things. Before I did not share this kind of things with you, and today I just wanted to rejuvenate everything and try to explain it and how I was also a small timer and step by step, slowly by slowly, how I started growing into this market of trading. So right now the same kind of situation I'm placing with you because it's really emotional a bit, because I also started with the same kind of amount. I had only $10 to spare, and the first time I did it this and learned a strategy from my true self with this same two indicators. This was my first two indicators which I learned the strategies, and I started growing my account also. So this is for you. By the way, all the things have been given down to my comments below. The links for the VIP chat, Telegram channels, YouTube and everything. I will show you, to be really honest, how people, they come and type me on Telegram also, all their queries and everything. They do type me on the VIP chat. Regularly I take trading sessions also. So people can just copy my signals and everything and trade together, make a amount also, make a profitable time with everyone. So as you can see here, like people type it, I type them personally, we have a relation like coordination and everything. They ask me all the question, where we went wrong, where we went right. That was also very important to let everyone know. So I do have a VIP chat also where you can just enter into free and everything, you know. So do click down to the link below, and I'll be waiting for you there. All your messages and queries, whatever the concerns and doubts are there, I'll be keeping up with it. To be honest, for sure, as fast as possible I can reply. So let's go and start. So the same thing, same everything. So it was a little bit of nostalgic, but anyways, I'll teach you this one basic technique that I always used it when I did not have the money in my pocket anyways round, and it always worked it for sure 110%. And maybe you can also learn and grow together. So all you need to do is open PocketOption. Here you just open PocketOption. Everything has been set. The things are same step by step. All you need to do is step by step just need to be copying me. That's it. And how the strategies work. So first of all, we'll be taking base power. Base power will be creating it to 15 style, and opacity we make it to 2px. Alright, and the second one that we'll be using is moving average. Moving average, as you have always seen in my videos, moving average I have always changed to EMR, and this I have always done it to 14. So this is a specific kind that it helps me to predict really nicely with the amalgamation of the two indicators and how I make it. So this is, so everything is done. We are ready to set and go. The same kind of amount, 13. So let's start with 5. But do guys, I wanted to let you know, like minimum amount is 10. It's really important. It's not important, but it's really feasible to take amountable trade, you know. So from 10 you can take 5, 4 and just grow slowly, then more go slowly. So like I will trade from $5 right now. So now the second thing, here as you can see there was been a pullback, and here also again. So this was a really good trade to take an upward trade right now, because see guys, I'll try to make you explain why. Because here as you can see it was a pullback, and moving average was been crossing above from here to this and to this concern point. So it was really necessary into a way, like you need to really predict it, like from your glance of choice, like how it has been there. You know, it's like this kind of things, it's need to be a necessary at a point of time, like you just see the chart and you come to understand also with the indicators, with the help of indicators. So as you can see, plus $9, it was the first feeling which I had also when I traded, and I could not believe it, like it's really happening or something. But yes, it do happen it, but all you need to have some kind of discipline, management and everything, and you start getting it. So let's go for the next trade. Let's go for the next trade. We will check which is nice. We will check. We will keep checking is which is suitable for us or no. So here also as you can see it's two been spike. There was been a pullback here also, and moving average has been not been overlapping any of the candles as you can see here. So this is a little bit of risky because it's too random. Let's check it. This one. This seems to be a really nice cut to cut, really nice, predictable, very nicely. This also you can see a pullback here also 2107, and here, and we take an upward trade right now here. The reason we took an upward trade right now here also is because bear power was been above the baseline 0, and here also you can see it how it was been overlapping from here point to this point, and moving average was been moving forward. So this kind of thing is really important to understand also. With the indicators, of course, you need to understand this kind of basic things also. Many of the people, they type me on the Telegram chats and everything if they don't understand also. So I've let you know where to contact me and ask you all your questions and queries. I'll be for you. So again, plus 9.60. We are like from 13 I started and 22.88. As you can see, step by step. I will not rush it too more. So let's take one more trade right now. Let's go check it one more. Here, as you can see, there was a dip here for the best power, as you can show, and here also you can show it's 2110. So there was been a dip, and how the moving average has been overlapping it. So here we'll take an upward trade right now. The reason I took here also an upward trade right now, because you can see 2110 and 2111. 1 minute before it was been a pullback. Like this kind of time difference and everything, and how the indicators were been showing that this is the right time to take an upward trade also. As you can see how the baseline of the bear's power is also above the 0, and how it has been going up also. So do understand, do let us know also, and this kind of things, if you don't understand it, how it has been placing up into a way. And again, we are plus 23.04 profit. So as you can see right now, I just wanted to let you know this small video about it, like how from small account also or small amount also and everything, you can make step by step money. It's not always about like how you're starting it, it's about like what pace you are having it. So do let me know in the comments and everything. The links have been given down below. I've shown you my VIP chat also. If you do have any queries and everything, I'm waiting for you there. So see you everyone, have a good evening. Thank you so much. So bye.